computer, but he looks like a human. Anyway, data. Information that could be numerical, it could be quantitative, or it could be qualitative data, color, shape, smell. Qualitative data is just information that's not numbers. It's not numbers. Some attribute other than numbers. Quantitative is numbers. How long is it? Measurements. Something you can express. How many? Okay, so that's data. Data is the word data itself. It's the A on the end. That's plural. We're based on Latin derivatives here. One number in 100 numbers. 100 numbers would be the data. One of those numbers would be datum. D-A-T-U-M. I don't know, it's kind of silly to try to show you this, but then, you know, when you're freshman, things like that can really throw you. Something as simple as singular and plural. Okay, but it's information. And usually you hear the word data because you've got usually more than one piece of information. But after doing these experiments, you apply this information, then you make some predictions. And usually those predictions are like my anaerobic. You go, oh, that didn't work, but I think this would, kind of idea. So they have as their example with DNA as the genetic material. There's a lot of information that would support that idea. But now they are doing experiments where they have a kind of disease. It's called a mad cow disease. You may have heard of it. Cow gets crazy, like mad, as in crazy. And they wobble around and act like something's wrong mentally, and they die. Mad cow disease. When they chop their brain up and look for the bacteria or virus or what's causing this, they don't find any DNA that caused it. They find some protein that is different, that's typical of this disease that wasn't in the original animal that was healthy. And so they're wondering, how did that happen? What, is it a protein that's controlling the inheritance of this disease? Well, it looks like it. But then maybe they haven't looked, you know, tiny enough yet. Maybe there's a little bitty piece of DNA somewhere there that they miss. I don't know. But the idea that DNA is a genetic material is, for the most part, true. So we're going to say it's a good theory. Is it proven? Not at all. But it's a good theory. Okay, so we've already done this, but this is just listing it all at on the same page. You make observations. These observations are usually information from other people that have made experiments, or it might not be experiments at all. You might just go out and see the trees, leaves fall in the fall of the year and go, hey, I think that's because the fall day length is shorter. Observations. Then you try to set up a testable something you can test. Set up an experiment to check and see if it's true or not. And then you do your little experiment. You have to make sure you have the proper control